You can hand ChatGPT your messy spreadsheet, a photo, or a long document you don't want to read, and it'll just do the work for you. Most people never figured this out. They just type questions into it like a search box. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through it, step by step, right here on my screen in real time, even if you've never opened it before. Let's get into it. First, let's get you in. Go to chatgpt.com and either log in or create a free account. It takes about a minute. Just use your email or sign in with Google, and everything I show you today works on the free plan. You don't need to pay anything to start. Okay, once you're in, this is the whole thing. Don't let it intimidate you. This box in the middle, right here, is where you type. They call it the prompt. Down the left side, this is where all your past chats get saved, so you can always come back to them. And this new chat button up top starts a fresh conversation. That's really all you need to know to begin. So let's actually use it. Now, here's the single most important thing in this whole video. The difference between people who get amazing results and people who get junk comes down to one thing: how you ask. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Watch what happens if I'm lazy and just type, write an email, and send it. See that? It has no idea what I actually want, so it just guesses and hands me back an empty template full of blanks like name and subject. Useless. So let me start a fresh chat and try again. But this time, I'll talk to it like I'd talk to a real assistant. I'll tell it who it's for, what it's about, and the tone I want. Watch. Write a short, friendly email to a client, letting them know their order shipped and will arrive Friday. Same tool, but watch the difference now. There. A complete email I could actually send, subject line and all. That is the whole skill. And here's the simple formula to remember. Tell it who you are, tell it what you need, and give it the details that matter. And one more thing, because this matters. It's a conversation. If the answer's not quite right, you don't start over, you just tell it what to change. Watch, I'll say make it shorter and add a thank you. And just like that, it rewrites the whole thing. The more you go back and forth with it, the better it gets. Okay, that's how you talk to it. Now let me show you the part that genuinely surprises people. You can give ChatGPT your own files. See this little plus sign right next to the box? That's how you add things. Let me grab a real sales spreadsheet from my computer. I'll pick the file and there it is, attached, just like that. Now, I don't need any formulas or any special skills. I just ask it a plain English question. What was my best month? And why do you think it happened? And watch what it does. It's opening the file, reading through every single row of that spreadsheet and working it out. And there's my answer. My best month was November. But look, it didn't just hand me the number. It figured out the reason. The Black Friday and holiday rush. You're basically having a conversation with your own data. Quick heads up though. Don't upload anything truly private, like passwords or client data, unless you've turned off chat history in your settings. For everyday stuff, you're totally fine. Now it's not just files, same plus sign, but this time let me give it a picture. I'll add a photo of a cafe menu and I'll ask it simply, what is this and what stands out to you? Now watch, because this part still amazes me. It can actually see the image. It's telling me it's a minimalist menu for a place called The Corner Cafe, and it's reading the items right back to me. The prices, the little details, everything. And here's where this gets useful in real life. On your phone, you can snap a photo of almost anything. A menu in another language, a label you can't read, a sign, even a broken part on an appliance, and just ask it what you're looking at. Okay, and now the one everybody dreads. PDFs. Those long documents nobody actually wants to read. Watch how fast this is. I'll upload a multi-page report, and instead of reading the whole thing myself, I'll just ask it for the 3 main points. And there it goes, reading through the entire document for me and pulling out exactly what matters. Revenue up 28%. The subscription box bringing in most of the repeat buyers, and some shipping delays back in August. Now imagine doing that with a contract, a manual, a research paper, your kid's school newsletter. You just drop it in and ask. But one really important thing, and please remember this, ChatGPT is incredibly smart, but it is not always right. It can sound completely confident and still get a detail wrong. So for anything that matters, money, numbers, facts you're going to act on, always read it yourself and double check. All right, now it's your turn. I want you to actually pause the video in a second and do this one with me, because this is where it all clicks. Think of something you genuinely need to write, an email, a message, anything at all. Don't have something? No problem. Just type out your thoughts in plain, messy words. Here, I'll do it with you in real time. I'm going to paste in some rough, messy notes from a meeting, the kind of thing you'd scribble down, no structure at all. And then I'll tell it, turn these messy notes into a clear, friendly email to my team with a short list of action items at the end. Now watch this. It's taking my scattered mess and organizing it, writing it out properly. And look, it even pulls the action items out right there at the bottom. Something I'd actually be happy to send in about 10 seconds. That right there is the whole point. It's not about clever tricks. It's about taking the boring, time-consuming work off your plate. So go ahead, pause, and try it with one real thing right now. And that is how you actually use ChatGPT for real work. Look at everything you can do now. You can talk to it the right way and get great answers. You can hand it your files, your images, and your documents. You can get a real task done in seconds, and you know to double check the things that matter. That's a genuinely useful skill, and you just learned it. Now, this was only the foundation. In part 2, I show you what this thing can really do. Talking to it out loud, having it create images for you, and a few features that honestly feel almost unfair once you know them. So if this finally made ChatGPT make sense for you, hit subscribe so part 2 lands right in your feed. I'll see you there.